I'm Amy, but you can call me GeekyMcFangirl. Welcome to my channel and thanks so much for joining me for a Disney-inspired craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dr. Facilier's hat. You can find links for all the materials you will need for this project in the description below the video, both on YouTube and at craftymcfangirl.com. I want to give a huge thanks to everyone who makes the GeekyMcFangirl channels possible with a pledge of $1 or more a month on Patreon. If you're enjoying the show, click the Patreon link below the video to support me. You can also support the channel for free by subscribing, liking, and sharing. To get started, you can search online for this image. Also, my patrons can download this pattern on my Patreon. Print out your skull and crossbones pattern to the size you want, and then trim out the pattern. Trace each of the pattern pieces onto a piece of white craft foam. To trim out the white foam skull and bones, I used both a craft knife and a small pair of scissors. I wanted a purple feather for my hat, but I didn't have one, so I used 2 colors of purple paint to cover a regular feather. Just make sure that the paint dries in between applications. I used a black top hat from a costume shop. These are inexpensive hats made of stiffened felt. And red satin ribbon that's 2 inches wide. Heat up your hot glue gun for the next part. Hot glue your ribbon down, hiding the raw edges underneath. Then stretch the ribbon around the hat and make a hat band. Trim it, and again glue the ribbon down, hiding any raw edges. Next, it's time to apply the skull and crossbones. Since we don't have a really tall hat like the Shadow Man does, we need to apply the skull at the very top of the hat in the front center. Then glue the bones down. But make sure to look at an example of the Shadow Man's hat first. It's not an equal X. The bottom bone should be glued a bit closer together than the top. The final step is to add the feather with hot glue. It should be placed near the back, but on your left side. And that's it! I made this hat in under 20 minutes one morning before going to the parks, and I got so much attention from cast members and from Princess Tiana herself. I recommend Disneybounding as the Shadow Man. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. I had so much fun wearing Dr. Facilier's hat to Disneyland, and I know that you will too. If you liked this project and you want to see what's coming next, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch me live stream my craft projects, you can find me on Twitch. And if you want to support the channel, you can also find me on Patreon. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.